Bossing! Kumusta ang buhay-buhay?
Hi, I'm Giancarlo Idasa and welcome to our presentation on emergency kit.
And hi, I'm Russell. Today we'll guide you through everything you need to know about preparing your emergency kit.
When the disaster strikes like an earthquake, having an emergency kit ready can make all the difference. Ensure you and your family have a basic supply needed to survive the first few days after the event.
It can also help you to stay calm and focused during an emergency, knowing that you're prepared for the unexpected.
So, what exactly is an emergency kit?
An emergency kit is a collection of basic items your household may need during a disaster. It includes essentials like food, water, and medical supplies.
Having one ready before an earthquake strike is crucial because service like electricity and water may not be available immediately.
Very good. Okay. What does your emergency kit contain and what are their functions?
Let's take a look. What inside a standard emergency kit and what each item is used for.
First, water. Water is essential for survival. You should have it at least 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. This will cover drinking water to prevent dehydration and for basic hygiene like washing hands and cleaning wounds.
Second is non-perishable food. Food items that don't spoil easily such as canned goods, dry fruits, energy bar are crucial to keep your energy up during an emergency.
First aid kit. A first aid kit helps manage minor injuries and health issues that may arise. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, pain relievers, and any prescription medication you may need.
Flashlight and extra batteries. A flashlight provides light when the power is out. Extra batteries ensure the flashlight remain operational throughout the emergency.
Whistle. It is used to signal for help if you're trapped or need assistance.
Multi-tool. It is a versatile item that can include functions such as a knife, plier, screwdriver, and can opener.
Radio. A radio helps you stay informed with news and emergency alerts when other forms and communication might be down.
Hygiene items. Items such as soap, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, and sanitary product help maintain personal cleanliness and hygiene.
Important document and cash. Keep copies of essential documents like IDs, insurance papers, and a small amount of cash.
Clothes and blankets. Extra clothes and blankets are essential for warmth and comfort, especially if you need to evacuate or if utility services are disrupted.
There are different types of emergency kits, depending on your need. A basic kit is your go-to for immediate survival, including essentials like food, water, and first aid.
It's important to tailor your kits to the environment you will be in during a disaster to ensure you have everything you need.
In conclusion, your emergency kit is a vital tool for ensuring your safety during disasters. Make sure it's well stocked, up to date, and easily accessible.
And don't forget to regularly check your kits for expired items and replace them as needed. That's it for our presentation.
We hope you now feel more prepared to create your own emergency kit. Stay safe!
Stay ready and thank you for watching.